Emma was a young woman with no parents. She lived alone in a tiny room above a bakery in the town. She had no money and no family, but she had something special. She had a kind heart. Every morning, Emma woke up early to work. She cleaned houses for the people in town. The work was hard and her hands were tired, but Emma always smiled and helped everyone she met. Emma did not have much food to eat. Sometimes she only had bread and water. But when she saw a hungry cat on the street, she shared her bread. When she saw a child crying, she stopped to help. One rainy day, Emma was walking home from work. She saw an old man fall down in the mud. Everyone walked past him, but Emma stopped. She helped the old man stand up and walked him home. The old man was very grateful. He said, "Thank you, kind girl, you have a beautiful heart." Emma smiled and said, "I only did what was right." Then she went back to her tiny room. A few days later, a young man came to the bakery. He was looking for Emma. He was tall and handsome, with kind eyes. He said, "My grandfather told me about you. You helped him in the rain." The young man's name was James. He was from a rich family, but he was not proud. He and Emma talked for a long time. They talked about life, about kindness, and about dreams. James thought Emma was wonderful. James came to visit Emma every day. They became good friends. Emma learned that having money does not make someone good or bad. What matters is the heart. James learned that real beauty comes from kindness. One beautiful spring morning, James asked Emma an important question. He said, "Emma, you have the kindest heart I have ever known. Will you marry me?" Emma's eyes filled with happy tears. She said yes. Emma and James had a small, beautiful wedding. All the people Emma had helped came to celebrate. The old man smiled and said, "Kindness always brings happiness." Emma was no longer alone. She had found love. Emma and James lived in a comfortable house, but Emma never forgot where she came from. She still helped people every day. She and James gave food to the hungry and helped those in need. They lived happily together. Emma learned an important lesson in her life. She learned that kindness is more valuable than gold. A kind heart brings true happiness, and sometimes, when you help others, love finds you. This was Emma's beautiful story.